to my channel. So today I have a special guest with me, including my little sister, Grace. And I have got a little bit of an unboxing that I already unboxed. But this is by ElizaVecca. I found this on 0.8L. It's an app that you can download and you can choose different things, and then they will send them to you and you'll have to like do a review. Some of them will have you do like Instagram, some of them will have you do like Facebook. So yeah, so this is what they sent. So yes, they sent me this for free, but this is not a sponsored video, but I'm really excited to try it. So please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. So we both have two different types of skin, so hopefully you'll be able to get like a good honest review out of this. I personally have really oily skin.
I got dry skin.
So yeah, we will see how this works for both of us. And they have sent me the ElizaVecca Milky Piggy Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask. It looks like this. And I love that it's got this little piggy wearing a face mask on it. And that's the rest of the box. And then they have also sent me a brush. There we go, opening it. And it looks like this. Okay, so now that we have done that, I'm going to open it. And it comes with like a little spatula and like this little plastic thing. Alright, well I got it. And this is what that looks like. So yeah. And then I just unboxed the brush, and it comes with like this little case protector thing that'll go on it. So just take that off. I think you're gonna slide it down. Okay. So there's that, and this brush is soft. It's nice. We'll see how it works for this. And then she's just going to be using a brush that I have used for masks before. So, okay. And then it says, take proper amount of carbonated bubble clay mask to your whole face except around eyes. After 3 to 5 minutes, when the bubble's blown up, absolutely do a foam massage with a little tepid water and wash away. So we're just going to dip our brushes in and apply it to our face. Oh. I just got it on her phone. Oh, it's so cold. It smells really good. It smells like you just took a shower, doesn't it? Like it just smells like clean.
Fresh.
Yeah,
Fresh and clean.
So fresh and so clean. It's starting to bubble while it's on.
No, I see that.
It feels so cool. I like it! Oh my gosh! It's so fun! Oh my gosh, my face feels awesome!
Do I have it on mine?
Yeah, but not all of it.
So it bubbles instantly, pretty much.
Yeah, it bubbles really quickly. So it said 3 to 5 minutes. So what time is it? It's kind of tingly in my face a little bit. Can you hear your bubbles? Like I can hear the bubbles on my face. I could hear them on your face. Look at underneath of my nose. I got a lot under there. How am I still breathing? Look at this right here. My dog just farted. Really loud. Oh my gosh.
It's bubbly.
It is very bubbly. It kind of burns a little in some spots.
Yeah.
For you too?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so both of my dogs want to be in the video. Look at her. I'm making her take care of her skin and drink water. I'm a great example. Yes. Good face care starts with water. Okay, so the instructions say to do like a dew foam massage, and it's been about 3 minutes. So now we're just gonna rub it into my skin.
And mine.
And her skin.
It's like crusty.
Yeah, it's all weird. Oh, it smooths out though. Oh, it feels really good though. Playing with it.
See, mine's not that wet.
I
didn't put a lot on me.
No, you didn't. I put a lot on my face. Oh my gosh, I just have bubbles all over my hands.
I'm just like drying out.
You are.
It's like sinking into my skin.
So now we're just supposed to take a little water, but we're sitting in my makeup room, so baby wipe will do the job. Yeah, my face kind of burns a little bit. Okay, so now we're just gonna wipe it off with baby wipe. Yeah, my face really burns right now, to be honest.
Mine doesn't burn a lot.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. We'll find out. Yeah, oh my gosh, it really burns.
Mine doesn't burn that bad.
Really?
Yeah.
You got a big old line across your forehead. So I think I've gotten all mine off. Yep. Except right there, and right there, and right there, and right there.
I don't know how your nose works. You can't just do it without looking.
Why? I got it.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. Is it all down my chin?
Yeah, and in your nose. You went put my actual finger in your nose.
Ow! You just attacked my eyes. Jeez. That hair.
My skin on this side is like
my skin feels so soft.
A baby's butt bottom.
Yes, mine too. It feels so clean. Like, I think this is the cleanest my face has ever felt. Like, ever.
For real.
Even, like, exfoliating and everything does not feel as
it's not
good as
too
this.
dry or oily.
No, it's not. I really like it. So, I think that if you can, or you really should try to buy this. Like, I think this is a really good product. Like, I'm really looking forward. I'm looking forward to using it again in the future. I think this is really cool. And if you have been thinking about buying it, you should buy it, because it's great for my oily skin and her dry skin. So, and I think you didn't have any issues using that brush, did you?
No.
Yeah, and this brush, I think it's cool that they sent it with me, but I don't feel like this is like a must-have. But I think it's cool that they included it in my package, so yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for being in my video, even though you just burped. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace and blessings. Peace and blessings. Over and out.